Okay. So I also have three aspects. What are the aspects? Physical body, biocurrent, and what? Wave system. As a TV box, I also have. The physical body is made of what? Particles. Electrons, protons, particles. The biocurrent is what? Made of what? Flow of fundamental particles. That is called the astral body. The definition for astral body has come out. Okay? And the third one is what? Third one is what? Yes, a wave system containing what? It is not an empty wave system. It contains what? Informations. It contains records, informations. Who is your father? Who is your mother? What is your native place? What you studied? Who are your friends? All the informations are there. All the imprints are there. So it is a wave system full of imprints, full of records. And this wave system full of records. And from the records, you know what? Your thoughts are coming out. Just you go for a walk, how much thoughts are coming out? All those thoughts are coming from where? From your records. So records are experience makes a record. And the record gives rise to what? My thoughts. When you go for a walk, sometimes you'll think of the high school days. Is that not? Sometimes you think of the yesterday what happened. Sometimes you are thinking of your professor. All coming from what? These records. So records are always reflecting as thoughts coming out. That wave system where my experiences are recorded, that wave system from where my thoughts are coming, that wave system is called my mind. So what is your mind? It is a wave system containing what? Containing what? All your records. That is your mind. So first time we give a definition for mind. Okay? So my biocurrent has been defined. What is biocurrent? Defined. Flow of what? The fundamental particles. And the mind has been defined as what? A wave system containing what? Containing all my records. Defined. Since it is a wave containing my experiences, the wave will not be confined within the body, it goes away from the body. Because it is a wave. And this wave falls on you. And my knowledge is influencing you. Okay? So I can influence anybody. By what? By sending what? Wave. So, what you think, your wave is carrying that in different directions. What they think, they are falling on me. I am a receiver, at the same time transmitter. I am receiving, at the same time transmitting also. So we are all linked by what? By a wave. We are all linked. By body we are different. Okay? Because the body has got what? Identity, limit us. You are different, I am different. But my mind, we are linked.